Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Well, isn't she precious? Less than a minute old. Well, I never thought through love we'd be making one as lovely as she. Well, so very lovely, made from love. Well, isn't she pretty? Truly the angel's best. And boy, I'm so happy we have been heaven blessed. I can't believe what God has done. Oh, through us He's given life to one. Oh, so very lovely, made from love. Well, isn't she lovely? Life and love are the same. Love is Aisha, the meaning of her name. Well, only could not have been done without Him who can save the one. So very lovely.